fate of where the murder trial of the 4 University of Idaho students should be held is now in the hands of the judge.
For months, Brian Kohberger's attorneys have been saying an impartial jury cannot be found in Latah County. Kohberger is accused of killing Madison Mogen, Xana Kernodle, Ethan Chapin, and Kaylee Gonsalves back in November of 2022. Jordan Smith is live outside of the Latah County Courthouse tonight and breaks down both sides of those arguments on why the case should or should not be moved to Boise.
Yeah, well, if there was one point that Kohberger's defense team wanted to drive home today, it was that the excessive media coverage surrounding this case has poisoned the prospective jurors here in Latah County. The defense says that Latah County has received more coverage of this case than any other county in the state of Idaho. And they argue this overload of media coverage has corrupted prospective jurors to presume Kohberger to be guilty before the trial even begins.
And the right to a fair trial cannot happen in Latah County. There is way too much media coverage. It is biased media coverage. It has impacted the potential juror, and it causes bias in the potential juror.
How it works.
Now, the prosecution, on the other hand, said that there has been media coverage of this everywhere. Boise is not an exception, and traveling 300 miles to Ada County won't change this variable in the case.
The fact is, Your Honor, this case has media coverage everywhere. That is something that was acknowledged by the defense, and that is something that is abundantly clear in these surveys.
And the state also said it's not exactly easy to move this trial 300 miles south. There's factoring in housing for the prosecution, the defense, jurors, witnesses, and of course transporting all of this evidence down to Boise as well for a 3-month trial. Now, in the end today, Judge John Judge did not make a decision one way or the other. In fact, he closed today's hearing saying that this is probably the most difficult decision he's ever had to make in his career. We'll be keeping an eye on this closely in the coming days here when that decision does come down the line, and we'll keep you updated on KXLY Plus and our website, KXLY.com. For now, reporting live outside the courthouse tonight, Jordan Smith, 4 News Now.